we have here is a standard conference room shot. From a lighting standpoint, cell phones are limited because their lenses are very small. They can capture great video, but they need assistance of additional lighting. That's why we have these two lights here. You could do one light or two depending on the room that you're in. So the special part about this is having extra lighting, having a microphone, and most importantly, having a producer to help with things like fixing your coat. Let me button mine. Moving to the right place in the shot. They can direct you on all those things. They can tell you to move the camera up or down. But the most important part is, one, we're able to capture great audio, capture a great video, and three, the magic of this shot is that I'm not by myself. There's a remote producer on the other side of the camera capturing everything that I'm saying in real time, and the file is being uploaded to the producer as I speak. When I finish, the video file is in the producer's hands. In terms of production, we're able to capture this high quality video, surprisingly, with an iPhone. But it's not just the iPhone that's making this happen. The iPhone is just serving as a camera. The iPhone, using as a camera, allows us to capture video, but the magic happens here. We have additional lighting, which makes the camera work better than it would normally. We have a microphone attached to the camera. That way we have steady, consistent audio. I can even move around and the audio is still consistent. It also means that, better than what an iPhone can do, we have the phone on its stand, it's steady, the lighting is directed towards my face, the audio is close to my mouth or in the right place, and if it wasn't in the right place, the producer is right there to say, hey, cut, let's fix your hair, let's fix your microphone, let's fix your coat, let's adjust that lighting a little bit. All these things can be done and instructed by the producer, and setting up this setup is really easy. I'll show you how. To establish this simple video setup, we send you a kit. This video kit is assembled in a small shoulder bag that has everything you need labeled to create a great video production. The video lights are thin and lightweight. We provide stands for the lights, for the phone. We provide a microphone. We send you everything you need to set up in about 5 minutes to capture great video, audio, and have a producer live on the camera with you to coach you through the entire recording session.